In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to easily merge CSV files using Python. So in this example, I have 3 CSV files that contain raw data that I basically want to merge into one combined CSV file. So I'm going to try and do this using Python in a few lines of code, and it's very simple. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is import your libraries. So you'll need 2 libraries here: import Pandas as PD and import OS. Okay, cool. Next, you want to get the current working directory. So in this example, my Jupyter notebook sits in the same folder as the raw data, or basically as the source CSV files. So I need to get that working directory, and I can do that by calling os.getCwd. And then next, we will basically loop through all CSV files in the folder. So how that works is we need to loop through file for file in os.list.dir current directory, and then note that there's this condition we specified here: if file ends with CSV. So this makes sure that we only loop through and merge the CSV files and not anything else. Next, we will kind of do the merging, right? So we can do so by using pd.concat, which will basically loop through all the CSV files and then merge them into this new data frame called merged.df. So we're almost there. The next step will be, the next step would be to save the merged data frame into a new CSV file. So basically, you're taking that data frame that you just created in the previous step and then converting that to a CSV file, and then we'll just specify index equals false. So the last thing is I'm just going to place a message here to let us know if the process has been completed. So that's it. It's just 5 lines of code, and we are going to then run this. So there, we have CSV files merged successfully. Let us just quickly check our source folder. So as you can see, a new CSV file was just created here called merged output. And let me just open this to see if there is data. Okay, so I should be expecting around 8,800 rows here. Perfect. So it seems like our code worked fine, and we were able to merge the 3 CSV files into one merged output. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.